Hello, I'm Martin Gates and I'm the Global Product Director for Densitron. Welcome to this short series of training videos that show you the power of the Aurora Software Ecosystem. In this first video, we're going to launch straight into how you bring up a graphical user interface onto the 8-inch blue box. And here we have the 8-inch blue box in the foreground with the user interface already uploaded and the Aurora desktop on the monitor behind. And this will show you how to get a UI onto the display. So we start by launching the Aurora Software Ecosystem, and it runs inside a virtual machine. In fact, we use the Oracle Virtual Machine Virtual Box, which is opening now. And there's some information displayed here in the window. We can see that we've already got the ASE. It's just not running at the moment, so I'm just showing you all the various information boxes, and we click Start, and that will launch the Aurora desktop, the software ecosystem that we're going to run. So the virtual box is from Oracle. This is an information window. We're going to see some lines of Linux code in a minute. While this is happening, you can delete the text box at the top where the blue cross in the top right hand corner is. And here we come to the login screen. The password is Densitron, all lowercase. Click Login. And now we've got the various applications and folders that are inside the desktop. So the Oracle Virtual Machine Virtual Box contains the Aurora desktop, which I've just highlighted there. So one of the first things that we have to do is to find the Aurora that's connected to this laptop. And we do that by clicking on Aurora Radar. And this brings up this application, and it's going to find for us any Auroras that are connected to the network. So we've clicked Start, and here is the very important information that we require, which is the Aurora's IP address. So I suggest you make a note of that, because we're going to need to enter that elsewhere very shortly. So now we can click Stop, close the application, and now we're going to run Qt Creator. Qt Creator is the application that allows us to build projects and create the user interface. So we've clicked on Tools and Devices. We enter the IP address. Click Apply, click OK, and then go back to the welcome screen. And this is the welcome screen with three main tabs: Projects, Examples, and Tutorials. It's worth looking at some of the examples, especially the dashboard. That's a useful layout to look at. Tutorials, there's many tutorials here for you to work your way through. Building and running an example is a good one. And then projects. So there's a number of projects already installed on the hard disk. You open that, and then we're going to look inside this folder called Projects. We're interested in demos, so we're going to click on Demos. There'll be different demos installed depending on the version, and we're going to click inside Sliders, open the project file, and using that right arrow we're going to look at the various files that are inside the
project. Opening up Forms, double-clicking on the main UI, and then we can see the layout that we're going to upload to the 8-inch blue box. Close those folders down, those files down, and then we have Sliders Pro open. What we're going to do is click on Release at the bottom right hand corner here of this box. We want to make sure that it's going to load to the Aurora SBX, and we click Play button. And we're going to see in a moment that the file is transferring to the 8-inch blue box. It's uploading at the moment, and here we've now loaded the UI that we saw right at the beginning. Just check the functionality. Touchscreen's working. Sliders are working. So we've successfully loaded a UI. And we close this down. You can see that that example is running in the background. Close that. In this first tutorial, we've learned how to open up the Aurora Software Ecosystem and run it inside the Oracle VirtualBox. We've learned how to find a project file, open that, and look at the project file and run it so that we can upload a UI to any screen that's connected via Aurora to the laptop or desktop. In the next tutorial, we're going to look at how to install the virtual machine and the Aurora Software Ecosystem and all of the installation that needs to be done. So what we do now is we close this down, click OK, and then we're going to stop the virtual machine running by doing File, Exit, and that's closed the virtual machine down.